Module 2. Section 3. Part 6. Scapy. Scapy is a powerful Python-based interactive packet manipulation program and library. It is able to forge or decode packets of a wide number of protocols, send them on the wire, capture them, store or read them using PCAP files, match requests and replies, and much more. It is designed to allow fast packet prototyping by using default values that work. For this tutorial, let's design a HTTP request. But, for that, we need to establish a three-way TCP handshake. So, let's get started. Import Scapy library. First of all, let's initialize the sequence number and the source and destination ports as shown. In this tutorial, the source port and sequence number is taken at random. There is no hard and fast rule so as to choose the ones which are stated in the example. But, the destination port number has to be 80, as HTTP works on port 80 by default. Using IP function, we create a network layer packet. Now, let's start the three-way handshaking. If you are not familiar with three-way handshaking, please Google the term for more information. We need to send a SYN packet. Set the SYN flag bit to 1. Add the sequence number as we had initialized in SEQ variable. Now create the SYN packet by adding both transport and network layer data and header. Now, we send the packet using SR1 function. This is a function that works in a dual mode. It sends as well as receives data from the host it is interacting with. Theoretically speaking, we should receive a SYN plus ACK packet back from the server. The sequence number is incremented by 1. Now, an acknowledgement for the SYN received from the server is needed to be sent in order to complete the three-way handshaking protocol. The acknowledgement bit is set to high by typing flags equals A. After the acknowledgement is sent, the connection is established to do a HTTP request. TCP and UDP functions are used for manipulating packets in transport layers so as to establish as connection-oriented or connectionless protocol. IP function deals with creating or manipulating packets in network layer. Now, let's create a HTTP payload as shown. After the payload is created, let's send the HTTP request using SR function. we perform a HTTP GET request. The response is printed using for each loop. Show2 is a function in Scapy used to view a packet. Let's test our program whether it's interacting correctly with the server or not. The output for the packets are shown by the function. Let's check the output using Wireshark tool. Before running the program, there was no traffic in the network. Let's quickly run the program and check whether Wireshark is able to listen to traffic generated by our program or not. As you can see, the packets worked correctly. We established a connection and sent the HTTP request and got a response back as well. As an assignment, you can try and create ICMP packets.